Hi all. Another bit of a different one. So, if you're like me, you like to watch a lot of YouTube, as well as being a content creator. I've not been doing too much lately, but I'm hoping to get back to it. I also watch other people's videos, and I watch more YouTube really than TV now. I think only time I watch TV is motorsport. That's about it. So, as a creator, it's a two-in-one thing. This, as a creator, I obviously do lots of video, and memory is always a problem. Video, audio is okay, that ain't a problem. Text is okay, but video don't half crunch your data up. So recently, I've got a 2 terabyte internal, a half a terabyte SSD internal, which has got my Windows on, so it quick boots, it switch on and it's on instantly, more or less. And then I've got externally a 4 terabyte, which I use for me video creations. And it were getting full, and I were starting to have a few little problems. So I bought another one. They're a Seagate 2.5-inch hard drive. They're not an SSD, they're hard drive. 2.5-inch. Been super reliable, the one I've got, the Seagate one. So I bought another one exactly the same. So I've now got 8 terabyte external. So I've got loads of memory, no problem. And as I'm saying, I like to watch a lot of YouTube myself, and I don't pay for ad-free. So ads come on, I watch them if I have to. If I don't, I just click, skip. And other night, one come up, and I thought, have you seen this thing? It's SanDisk 32 terabyte SSD, and it was like 32 quid, and I'm thinking that can't be right. And I thought, I'm gonna buy that just to see and possibly do a review on it, which I'm going to do. So I purchased it. And of course, in the advert, it says on it SanDisk. When it came, it doesn't say SanDisk, as you'll see in a minute. And really, this video is all about, is it 32 terabyte? I try quite a few videos to it. I try writing a lot of different folders to it. And you'll see the results, and then I'll come back in end and we'll have a bit of an outro. So whip into house and I'll show you what I've done, or what I've tested so far. So here we have the package that it came in. No postcode as such that you could read. I've blacked out my address. So this is what we received. This is actually what actually came in the package. Looks okay. 30 terabyte. I thought it was supposed to be 32. Have I been ripped off? Maybe. Let's open it and have a look. Well, the package actually looks, there's a USB lead there, look. See? It looks right. Oh, no it don't. It's supposed to say SanDisk on it. Across there, or what, across there? It's not there. I wonder why. That's very strange. Not a good start really. Let's weigh it and see what it weighs. Might give us some idea. 32 grams. 32 terabyte. 32. Oh. Well, that's the advert, and that's what I got from them. And that, £32, 32 terabyte high speed, blah blah blah. So I'll start to try and put some files onto it and just let's see how good it is. Now, I set this going last night and it told me the 1.5, I think it was, terabyte I tried to copy to it, that it were going to take 1 day, 24 hours. So I left the computer running, turned my monitor off and went to bed and left it for a day. And these are the results really, what I've got back. It's put all those files in that I took off a 4 terabyte drive I've got. Oh, it said it's empty, hang on a minute. Oh, and that one's empty too. What's happening? I copied all them over. Probably, well, I don't know what that's saying. 4 terabyte drive, that's my drive. Empty? Don't think so. Maybe that one. Here we go. So we've got some, no we haven't. And then I'm looking at the properties of that drive and it says it's 28 point some terabyte. exFAT, SSD. Well, everything looks fine and it's reporting that it's definitely is a large format drive. So let's carry on and see what we can find. So these are some of the files that I put to it. Let's have a look. You see pictures, no problem. There's loads of pictures there, but video, let's have a look what we got. Oh, there's some videos come across, but look of it. What's this one? 2019 Forteventura complete video. Should play okay. Oh no, I'm putting another video on it. Sorry, I'm copying a video to it, to this F or whatever it is. Click it on, mouse being a bit funny on my wireless mouse. Copy it, this is paste. Right, let's dump it. I'm passing this quickly because it took a long time to copy the one video across. And all being well, it should play. So let's have a look. Wait till it finishes. Let's see what we get. Come on. It's supposed to transfer at 2000 megabits per second. We're lucky if we can get 12. I wonder why. I wonder why. Okay, well that's copied across. Let's have a look. There we go, let's play it. Oops, double click, let's play it. Yeah, there we go. Oh, no. It's corrupt. I wonder why. Well, that's my video on my 4 terabyte drive, and there we go, we're in an aeroplane and we're flying. And that's fine. But on that drive it's not, and it says 28.6 terabyte exFAT, 8192 kilobytes SSD. I'm going to reformat it. What the hell? It ain't working, so let's format it. Maybe that's what's wrong with it. Just need to format. The format's complete. Let's do an OK on that. Oh yeah, that's better. 28.6 terabyte. Well, it's not what I expected, but it'll do. Okay, so we copied some films across now, all them with the arrows on. All those with pictures are going to play because they're less than a certain amount of memory. Let's try that one. Oops. No, it's not going to play. I wonder why. Why won't they play? Some of them do. We'll find out later. Yeah. Yes, mate. All those. Not good. That one's good. They're good. They play. You know what? I'm going to pull this thing apart and have a look inside it because something's not right. It's going to have a massive chip in here, obviously, because it's 32 terabyte or 28.6. Let's have a look. Oh, well, there's no in that. Eh? That's empty. Oh. No, that's disappointing. Okay, no problem. Let's have a look at the rest of it. And what we got? Come on. Turn it over, for God's sake. A micro SD card. Now, why would there be a micro SD card in there? You can't get them to 32 terabyte. And it's stuck together with a glue gun. I wonder how many bowls of rice that cost to do. Got it out. Yep, micro SD card. Let's have a look. Yep, that's what it is. Unbranded, unnamed, unmarked. So I think we need to test it. We need to bob that in my card reader and let's see what see that chip there, that little square one? That'll be the chip to tell your computer that it's a 28 point whatever terabyte. So I've put the card in my card reader and it says I need to format it, so let's format it. Okay, it's 50 gigabyte. What? No. Oh my God. I've been ripped off. And I now know it did come from China, not just the Far East, it came from China. And the Chinese have ripped me off. Shanghai, actually. Come from Shanghai. Right, I formatted it, so let's have a look at it in my card reader and see what its properties are. And it's 50 gigabyte. 50 gigabyte. I mean, how much should you pay for a 50 gigabyte micro SD card? Let's have a look. A cheapie maybe. How much? £4.49 free delivery for a 64. Been well ripped off, guys. Well ripped off. Never mind. Well, that were interesting, wasn't it? To find out. 50 gigabyte micro SD card, which I suspected all along that that's what it'd be, a small micro SD card inside, a little older inside, and then you've got a chip, which I think I'll point into you. You'll see that fools the computer to say that it's 32 terabyte. I think it was showing 28 point something terabyte of memory. Of course, once you write more than 50 gigabyte to it, that's it. You get your folders and no else, they're all empty. So it were interesting anyway, wasn't it? Wasted £32, but just goes to show that were a genuine YouTube advert. I mean, the stuff that comes on adverts and you think, that can't be right, that can't be right. Well, of course, it seldom is right. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up and a comment as well. Call me an idiot for wasting £32, but it was worth it just for trial. Thank you.